Network security best practices and guidelines. Network security does not just end when we implement security products or processes. A network is like a living and breathing organism that evolves with time, but sometimes breaks down and needs maintenance. Apart from security uses, there are many common uses that can occur, so including network connectivity uses, power outages, network crashes, and black holes in routing. Typically, a Security Operations Center (SOC) is something that is the center of security monitoring and operations, but at the same time, a Network Operations Center can play a very important role in a network resilience and optimal performance. In this section, we will take a look at some of the key attributes of the Network Operations Center. A Network Operations Center is a central entity for organization's network monitoring endeavor. This encompasses technology and processes essential to actively managing and responding to networking-related uses. A typical Network Operations Center consists of engineers and analysts monitoring the network and ensuring smooth operation and ensuring network infrastructure uptime. This includes, but is not limited to, network device, server, application, and endpoint monitoring, hardware and software installation concerning network devices, and network analysis, and which is discovering and assessments. Network operations centers often encounter complex networking uses that might need troubleshooting and collaboration between different IT teams to investigate and resolve the issue. To increase the overall effectiveness of a network operations center, organizations focus on a few areas, as discussed in next subsections. Proper incident management. This will include identifying an incident, investigating the root cause, resolving the incident, and preventing its recurrence to avoid business disruption. For a more evolved look at the best practices for incident management, and the organization should review and analyze their adherence for the ITIL incident management framework. This includes prioritizing incidents based on their impact, accurately reflecting on the current status and documentation of all artifacts, implementing a streamlined process to ensure that the effective handling of incidents that's in line with the organization's policy, automating elementary manual iterative tasks and escalations, implementing an effective communication mechanism for sharing real-time updates with the required stakeholders, integrating third-party applications such as ticketing systems, monitoring dashboards, a knowledge base, threat intelligence, and so on to make the analysts more powered, establishing key performance indicators, and driving continuous improvement by reporting on them. This helps the organization continuously improve and innovative on its performance metrics and key deliverables such as higher performance quality, lower cost to serve them, and their mean time to resolve. An incident response team should consist of a hierarchical team structure, where each level is accountable and responsible for certain activities, as you can see here. Tier 1 analysts. Tier 1 analysts acts as the first point of contact in the incident response process. They are responsible for recording, classification, and first-line investigation. Tier 2 analysts. Tier 2 analysts act as an escalation point for Tier 1. Also acts as a SME for deeper investigation and creation of knowledge articles. They are also required to escalate major incidents to Tier 3. Tier 3 analysts. Tier 3 analysts act as an escalation point for Tier 2 and is responsible for restoring an impacted service. They escalate unresolved incidents at a relevant vendor or team for resolution. They also act as a liaison between internal and vendor teams. Incident coordinator. Incident coordinator acts as the administrative authority, ensuring that the process is being followed and the quality is maintained. They are responsible for assigning an incident within a group maintaining communication with the incident manager, and providing trend analysis for iterative incidents. Incident manager. Incident manager manages the entire process until normal service is restored. They are primarily responsible for planning and coordinating activities such as monitoring, resolution, and reporting. They act as a point for major escalations, monitor the workload and SLA adherence, conduct incident reviews, provide guidance to the team, and ensure continuous improvement and process excellence. In some organizations, there are other roles such as Incident Assignment Group Manager and Incident Process Owner, who is accountable for designing, maintaining, and improving the process to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of the services delivery.